G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School, and #1 best-selling author of the book From Hopeless to Hero, How to Hire, Train and Motivate Super Employees. Quick plug there, not the episode sponsor. Our episode sponsor actually is FrozenSolutions.com. So Mitch Kleinman and the crew out there on the West Coast, they do a great job of paper products, straws, cups, lids, special branding or logos on cups. Look, anything that you really need to put ice cream into or cover ice cream up, FrozenSolutions.com. Give Mitch a call, tell him that the ice cream bloke sent you. Now, I'm all about giving credit where credit's due. And I went to an event, it was actually Dave Dedman's wedding to Sarah, Dave and Sarah of the Chocolate Shop, and of course they had chocolate chip ice cream being served at their wedding reception, and they had a really natty way of doing it, which I have been doing it ever since I saw it, was because there's a challenge here if you've got a catering job or an event that you want to go out to and scoop ice cream, but you don't want to take a dipping cabinet. You know you're only going to be there for 20, 30, 40 minutes. What do you put this in? Now you can buy a Carlisle ice cream crock. They're relatively expensive. They're about $70 to $80. You need to put them in the freezer first. It can be an expensive process in kind of getting a whole lot of them. What I saw at the Dedman's wedding reception was a very simple Rubbermaid drink container. So what the crew there was doing was basically taking a drink container like this. It's a regular Rubbermaid, I don't know how many gallons it is, doesn't say on the bottom, I should have done my research. I'm going to say it's how many jugs of milk can I fit in here? I don't know. Look, just go down to Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, and have a look. This is probably going to be anywhere between $10 and $20. The beauty of this Rubbermaid drink container is that a 3-gallon bucket fits almost perfectly into this container. So the great thing is you can take one of these containers out, you can put it in the freezer if you want to prep it, but generally I find that if I've got a 3-gallon bucket like this that's in a freezer that's kept at, let's say, -20 or -30, so this ice cream is basically rock hard, I put it into my Rubbermaid drink cooler here, put the lid on with a couple of ice packs on the top. Takes about 2 hours to thaw to the point, or temper to the point where it's nice and scoopable. Depending on the product, high water content, it might take a little bit longer. Heavier fat might take a little bit shorter time. But basically, what I do when I've got a catering event or I'm donating some of the ice cream here that we've made at Scoop School after a class, I will take this out of the freezer, drop it into this Rubbermaid cooler, put a lid on it. Yeah, if you like it, then you should have put a lid on it. I'll take this to the event, let it sit for about 1.5 hours, possibly 2 hours, pop the lid off, pop the cap off here, scoop straight out of here. Unbelievably simple. It's a good ice cream hack. So, Dave and Sarah Dedman, nice job. You're sharing that ice cream knowledge with the rest of the world. Now, you may have an ice cream hack as well that you would like to send to us. We'd love to be able to let the ice cream community know about it. We have a very loyal following. So, hey, shoot us an email, steve@scoopschool.com. Love to be able to give you some credit and helping you share your knowledge with the ice cream community. Again, we want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Frozen Solutions. Thank you, Mitch. And look, go to Scoop School for all of your ice cream training, education, and business growth needs. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.